Hi and welcome to another video in What's New in Photoshop 2020, the November 2019 release. Now this new feature is great for all of us that use brushes a lot like I do, and it's the ability to rotate the brush head on the fly using a keyboard shortcut. Okay, well, let's see how it works. And don't forget, if this is your first time with Live Link training, please visit my website, and if you scoot to the bottom of any page, just give this link a click here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be really helpful. Thank you very much. Let's get on. Okay, here I've got a blank document on which I'm going to paint something. So let's open the brush settings panel, so we can do that from the window menu and brush settings. That's good. And then we'll also open the brushes panel, so we can move that over there out the way, and then we need to select the brush tool, and we can do this by clicking here in the toolbar, or we can press B on the keyboard. That's fabulous. Right, so let's just modify this brush a little bit here. We've got the size of the brush, it's a circular brush, and we've got a size of about just over 200 pixels. We've got a hardness, we'll leave that at 100%, and spacing down to 1%. And then we'll just change the shape of the brush a little bit. We'll squidge that down and we'll turn the angle a little bit. Now we've got black as this foreground colour, so we'll be painting with black. And what I can do now is if I just click, we'll see that we've got this brush when I'm painting with. Now the keyboard shortcut are the left and right arrows. And if I press the left or right arrow now, I will rotate the brush in 1 degree increments. You can see there. So I can click the brush there and rotate it a little bit more and click there. And now that's in 1 degree. If I want to rotate it more than that or quicker, then I can use the shift key. So if I press shift and right arrow, it will rotate it in 15 degree increments. So it just does it a lot quicker. And now if I want to paint in a straight line, then I just hold the shift key down and I paint, and shift key again and paint, and shift key again and I paint. So that's it. Quick recap, we can now rotate the brush head on the fly with a keyboard shortcut of the left and the right arrow keys. So if I want to rotate in 1 degree increments like this, I can just press the left or the right arrow key. And if I want to rotate it in increments of 15 degrees, I hold the shift key down and press the left key or the right arrow key. Well, I hope that was useful. If it was, please leave a comment under the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button at the bottom of any page on my website. And while you're there, check out all the other videos on Photoshop, Lightroom and photography. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.